Pulse Oximeter.
How does it work?
Well, when you're sick, a doctor or nurse might put it on your finger.
Is it going to hurt?
No, but just gives your finger a little hug. Javon, let me draw you a picture. The lungs breathe in oxygen. The blood, like a delivery truck, picks up the oxygen. It takes it to all the tissues and organs of your body. When the blood gets to the tissue, it drops off the oxygen, which the tissue and organs need to stay alive. It is the power for the batteries in the cell, called ATP.
What's ATP?
It stands for adenosine triphosphate. Cells need it to make energy to grow.
So oxygen keeps my body working?
Yes, which is why doctors and nurses need to know how much oxygen is being carried by your blood.
How does this work?
Pulse oximetry uses light to work out oxygen saturation. Light is emitted from light sources, which goes across the pulse oximeter probe and reaches the light detector.
Thanks for helping not be scared of the pulse oximeter.
First, you're welcome. Second, it's a pulse oximeter.
Oh yeah, it's a pulse oximeter.
Yeah, you just need help on how to pronounce it right.
If you like our video, like and subscribe.
And go to our website, childrensheart.weebly.com.